We could all benefit from a day at the spa. Chuck Rose, you're just talking to me, having everybody talk during the commercials. Bryce is talking to me already too, because we are talking about a day of pampering. And it is important for anybody to do that, but it is hard for anybody to fit it into their schedule, right? Well, weather like this, Bryce tells us, is the perfect time to have a DIY spa day. Let's bring him into the conversation since we're already talking to you off camera anyway, right? It smells so good over here already. Right. To me, that is key to feeling pampered, is to have all of your senses.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah, get them all working together and taking the phone and putting it away, getting rid of all that electronic stuff, except for some music maybe, if you do that to kind of help bring some downtime. But the great thing is, you know, it is nice to be able to set up an appointment to go do this and pamper yourself, but sometimes it just doesn't work out where you can do that. And a week like this where the weather is terrible, if you are at home and you can make that time, you know, DIY, do it yourself, and create that. So we'll start with the senses and set in the mood. I brought some eucalyptus. That's a great thing if you have some fresh eucalyptus to do that.
That's always my scent request if they say, do you have for like a lotion or something?
I love that. And then, or just a nice scented candle that has something that's going to just, you know, kind of take you into a zone that you need to be to completely relax. A steam facial you can do at home. Tea tree essential oil is probably one of the best ones to do, because what it does is it helps to open the pores, but also it's antibacterial, so it just gets there and gets all the dirt and crud out of your pores.
So what do? You put a little bit of the oil
into some boiling water.
Okay.
However you want to do that. You can pour that water into a bowl, maybe put a towel over the top of it to keep the steam in, and then lift that in there to do that. But that steam's going to really just help clean out the pores.
Okay, so that's your face.
Yeah. After you've done the face, maybe do a mask. Of course, I've got a men's and women's mask here. Those are good, the paper masks that you can buy, or the gel mask. Or there's even ways that you can make your own. There's a great recipe for using yogurt and honey for a hydrating mask.
Honey?
So if you want to do all that, I can imagine all that's going to
I'm looking at you. I'm seriously, for men in particular, because you are rocking the baby beard right now, and Jason always has the baby beard going. Can you put that on?
You can,
You do it right over your facial?
Yeah, you just got to clean it out, rinse it out really good. But there's some great recipes for different skin types online, so check that out on Pinterest or even, on Google. Doing a hair mask, pulling that in, so that's something you can also, use some coconut oil, some products like that you may have around the house, or you can just use one that you buy in the store. Doing all that, and then culminating that with a nice bath to help get all that off of you and just soak and relax. But bath bombs, those come from Lush, which I love walking in that store, talking about the smell. But those are great. Drop them in, fizz up and just kind of in that nice, spa time, whether it's you spend 4 hours doing this or 30 minutes, whatever it is, just anytime you can get away from.
It's just a nice treat.
Yes,
a lot of these things that you mentioned today too are great places to check out your local farmer's market to see if you can get any of the things to sort of dip into all of those and support some local folks too.
You can go to your florist and they'll give you, a lot of times they'll just give you a spray or a cutaway.
Yes,
But it's great to hang in the shower. That's another little trick. Hang it in the shower, and the steam from the eucalyptus, when it does it, it'll help open your sinuses and stuff in the morning.
You are just the handiest. We love having you, Bryce Carey. Thank you so much for coming on.
Always a pleasure.
Guys, take a quick break. Not really time for a spa break, but plan it for later and come back for more Good Day right after this.